my loves, welcome or welcome back to another video. It's a girl Coarse, and in case you're new here, hello there, thank you for dropping by. Please ensure that you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. You're the reason why I keep doing this. So let's get straight into today's video. Today's video is about a hot oil treatment. My hair has been struggling. If you watched my previous video, because I have been stressed, my hair has been falling off in chunks and I had to chop off almost 5 inches of hair. So this is just me trying to grow back my hair healthier and fuller than it was before. So what you see there is my oil, my herbal oil. That oil is infused with a lot of herbs that I had been infusing for over a week. So I just put the oil in my comb applicator bottle so that it can be easy for me to apply and also get to my scalp, and just for easy application to reduce on the mess. So this is my hair after chopping off a lot of inches. But yeah, so I'm just going to start applying the oil on my scalp. So the oil wasn't hot and it wasn't cold, it was lukewarm. So I just made sure that I got to my scalp first. I have also noticed that I have developed some dandruff, and yeah, this is going to fix that. So when I was done with the scalp, I just also ensured that the rest of my hair, or that hair in that section, was well coated with the oil also. And then I'm going to work that all through my hair. You will see me do that a lot in this video. I would actually split the section into more sections just to ensure that every hair strand is coated. I don't forget my edges, and I also ensure that every part of my scalp, especially in the section I'm working on, is properly oiled. So I'm going to continue with this, and yeah, I will then massage my scalp. We don't want the oil to just sit on that scalp, so I'm going to massage the oil in my hair and also on my scalp. This video or footage right here was gotten or has been uploaded in real time. It's not sped up, it's not slowed down, so that you can see exactly what I was doing and how gentle I was. So we go in again, ensuring that every section is well massaged. So just the massaging alone will help with blood flow to my scalp, and that is a good thing because the product that I'm applying, or the oil that I'm applying to my scalp, will at least get a chance to get absorbed and also get to do the work that I want it to do. Yes, so the oil also has a lot of essential oils like lavender, peppermint, rosemary. These are good for scalp health. They are antimicrobial, so they also help with dandruff. They help promoting blood circulation to the scalp, and then they also help fight free radicals that may cause a lot of hair shedding. So when I'm done with this section, I'm just putting it away in a twist so that I can easily work on the other sections of my hair. So now I do the rest of my sections. So the other sections are sped up because I don't want you to sit through a 30 minutes video of me doing the same thing over and over. So I'm just repeating the same process. You apply your oil on your scalp. Firstly, when you're done, you make sure that you massage. When you're done massaging that oil, you apply oil to the rest of the section or the rest of the hair. please don't forget the ends. They deeply need that treatment. Don't forget your ends every time you are doing anything with your hair. Be as gentle as possible with your ends, because they are the babies that need the care. So when I am done, I am just going to wrap or twist the hair and continue with the rest of the sections. But be generous with your product. Be very generous with your product. Ensure that almost every section is properly covered in your treatment, so that it can do justice to your hair. I slept with this treatment overnight, and the following day my hair felt good. Felt really good. So that's me just going in. I was almost done. I think that was the last section. Yes, so the front section, the front part, that section was the last part. So I just ensured that also the front part was properly also oiled. My scalp was oiled, and this is the area that has been giving me trouble with dandruff, the crown part. But yeah, we made sure the ends and the ends at the front always give me issues, because I think they're manipulated more than the rest of my hair. So oftentimes the front section of my hair has ends that are just lifeless. But yeah, so we made sure that that treatment was properly applied, and then we twisted up that section. When I was done twisting up that section, I got my oil, and then just ensured that I also went back in case I had just missed a spot, especially on my scalp. I just went back, applied the oil on each section that I could see, and then I carefully massaged the oil in. I made sure that I massaged that oil in, and I didn't want any issues. I wanted my scalp, and the feeling that this gave, it was amazing. It was so amazing, and I am grateful. And yeah, so when I was done, went in with my plastic cup. If you know, you know. So I was sleeping with this treatment overnight, so I just went in with my plastic cup to trap in my body heat. I wanted the oil to marinate properly to make sure that it was properly absorbed. Yeah, I also went in with a second plastic, just to ensure that I created that barrier where heat could not escape no matter what. I then got a band and placed it around my edge area, because I didn't want oil dripping in my face or on my beddings. Like I said, I had to sleep with this treatment overnight. And then I also went in with my satin bonnet, wore it, and then I later on got the other bonnet. I later got the other bonnet just to ensure that the moisture was trapped properly and everything was nicely secured. When I was done, I went to sleep. Yes, I went to sleep. And goodness, everything stayed in place the whole night. Everything was intact. The following morning, I had to wash my hair and deep condition it, and this is what you see. I had to make sure that every section of my hair was properly deep conditioned, because this is a step I wouldn't miss no matter what. Like, deep conditioning my hair is a must. I always want my hair to have that stamina to at least withstand some harsh conditions. And I know it's really helped, especially that my hair has been shedding. It has helped. Deep conditioning has really helped. So I just went in. I wasn't doing a detailed deep conditioning routine. I just did it on the surface just to ensure that my hair was deep conditioned. My hair felt different after washing it. After that treatment, I knew that the treatment did something, because my hair, even just the texture, felt different. But yeah, after this, I sat under an electric heating cup, and then later on I washed my hair. After washing it, or after rinsing off the deep conditioner, I put my hair in some African threading, and then later on took them down, and my hair was well stretched. Not too stretched, but yeah, it was stretched to an extent where it was okay for me to work with. So thank you very much for watching. If you've stayed up to this point, ensure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet. Turn on your notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.